Concept drift. Concept drift. Concept drift is when the real-world relationship between your input features and the target output changes over time. So a model trained on old data no longer matches current reality.
A simple way to picture concept drift is to imagine you drew a line through past data to separate safe from risky cases. But over months, people's behavior shifts, and that line is now in the wrong place, quietly mislabeling new situations. The world moves, but your frozen model stays still, so its decisions become less and less aligned with how things actually work today.
In a fraud detection system, you might train a model on last year's transaction patterns, but fraudsters constantly change tactics, amounts, and timing. So the signals that once meant fraud may now describe normal users, and new fraud patterns go unseen. This is closely related to data distribution shift, where the data your model sees in production no longer looks like the data it was trained on.
Concept drift matters because any machine learning system exposed to real users, markets, or environments will face change. And ignoring that drift turns a once accurate model into an unmonitored liability. Teams handle it by tracking performance over time, setting up drift detection alerts, and regularly retraining or updating models so concept drift stays a known, managed risk rather than a silent failure mode.